Hello and welcome. Today is National Roller Coaster Day, so firstly, happy National Roller Coaster Day to those that love roller coasters as much as I do. And of course, I'm at a theme park. I'm at Thorpe Park today, but it's crazy. I am here first thing in the morning, and I mean first thing in the morning. I need to wake myself up a bit to film for ITV.
What?
I'm going to be on live television this morning talking about National Roller Coaster Day, which is mental. My mind is blown. I've known about it for about a week or so now, but it's here and I am nervous. My stomach is jumping around, but I wanted to bring you along to show you what I get up to in the meantime, whilst before filming, after filming, that sort of stuff, and just, yeah, bring you along because I'm intrigued to know the process. And then of course, after we've done the this morning appearance, which is crazy, we're going to check out roller coasters because it's National Roller Coaster Day. So we're here at Thorpe Park to hit up some of the best roller coasters. I'm not going to let you know now what we're going to be getting up to, so stick along and you'll see what the appearance on this morning is going to be made up of. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy. But like I said, it's first thing in the morning. It is early, but I've got to go and meet the ITV film crew. And I've got to go and meet some representatives here at Thorpe Park, so it's very serious. It feels too serious for me, but I'm excited for it. I'm nervous for it, but I love roller coasters. I love theme parks, so I'm going to go and talk about them. So let's go and see the process and then enjoy the roller coasters. So we're going through here. Exciting times. I'm not allowed to film behind this point though, so I'll see you in a few.
And you.
And then just like that, we're done. I'm not sure what you've just seen because it was a whirlwind, and yeah, I'm hoping that I managed to get footage and stuff, but I'm now off the Swarm. They closed Swarm Island for me, so I apologise if you were waiting. Sorry, if you were waiting for Swarm at 11:15, I'm the reason, and I can only apologise. I said to them, I was like, please get it open as quick as possible because I feel bad. It's National Roller Coaster Day, but also it felt really cool to do that. So yeah, I'm not gonna let it ruin my moment, but done with that. That was an amazing experience. I can't thank ITV, Thorpe Park, Merlin, everybody enough for that. So now let's go and enjoy roller coaster day. A very, very busy, and I mean extremely busy, which is expected, Thorpe Park. Maximise the use of the fast track that they gave me that, which is great, and do some roller coasters in the dark. So you may have seen my TikTok where I did a roller coaster recently, did a stealth recently in the dark, in pitch black. I've got my goggles and I'm good to go. So we've got Swarm, we've got Nemesis, we've got Soar, hit those up with goggles on, and then we move on. But again, I'm blown away. If you know me, you know that this is just mad. It's mad. So anyway, let's move on. Let's do a normal vlog. Let's go and ride some roller coasters. Let's go. So these are the goggles that I made. They're completely blackout. I mean, you cannot see a single thing. And then yeah, we're gonna do it on the Swarm. So blackout goggles on the Swarm. Take a look at this. It is the brightest of sunny days, and I can see nothing at all on Swarm. We should get a bit of width. I'm going over, so I'm on the right hand side, going over the top, and oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh my god! Oh where am I? Where am I? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm fucking in the sun! I'm weird. I don't know where I am. I'm right down. I know where I am now. I know where I am. Oh yeah, we're there. And I think that's it. So there you go. There's me riding the Swarm in complete darkness with my blackout goggles. So if you haven't seen, I've done stealth already, which is over on TikTok. So today I'm going to try and do a few more, just to give you the general reaction and just see if it's something you'll be interested in doing with me, because it is fun. So now we move on. We've got Nemesis and Soar to do. So let's go and see which one we do next. Probably the last time I mention it, but Roller Coaster Day 2023, I've had the two best rides on Swarm I've probably ever had. First one this morning, on national television, and then secondly with the blackout goggles on, because it makes it so fun. It just changes it. When you've ridden it so many times, you need to mix it up, and the goggles change it. You know the rough layout, but you kind of get lost and stuff. So, but it is a busy one, and in my preparation this morning, one thing I didn't look at was the weather forecast. I'm currently wearing a black t-shirt. I had to take my dark green hoodie off because I didn't actually look at the weather forecast. So it's a hot, busy one. I have not done Tide Away for probably genuinely 15 years, and I think I'm going to break that duck today. It's that warm. I think I'm going to go and do it, you know. If it's working. Oh, I don't know if it's even, is it even working today? Oh, let's go find out. If it is, I'm going on it. It's open, so we're going to go and do it. I've been not putting it off because it's one of those rides. It's good, but it does get you soaking wet. But today, if I'm going to do it, it has to be today. So let's go and do Tide Away for the first time in about approximately 15 years, which is mental. So let's go. So let's go do it. I haven't done it in so long. I'm actually a little bit nervous, even though I know it's literally just a drop. But I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't done it for so long. But yeah, there it goes. It's going up. So yeah, fast track. Hopefully not too long of a queue. It's been so long, I can't even remember any of this. Like, I literally can't remember what this looks like, and everyone's still taking all their clothes off like they used to back in the day. So yeah, that's quite excited to go on it, to be fair. So scrap that. I was stood in the queue for a couple of minutes near the front, and they come over and said, we're adding a boat, so there's going to be a delay. 25 minutes later, they then said, oh, the new boat needs cleaning. So 10 minutes later, they said the boat, we're still waiting for the cleaning crew to turn up. So at that point, I was like, it's roller coaster day. I'm not wasting my time on Tide Away. I'm annoyed because I was up for it, but I'm not wasting any longer in that queue because it could be another 10, 15 minutes. It could be 2 minutes, could be 20 minutes, I don't know. But part of my unlimited fast track that I was given by Thorpe Park today allows me to go on Bozo's. So I'm gonna go and check out Bozo's because I've done it, but I'm gonna go through it a couple of times because I can. So let's go check out Bozo's, trailers, Bozo's, whatever it's called, let's go. I just realised I'm massively contradicting myself because I'm going on trailers. Oh, I'm not going on trailers because it's closed. I was going to go on trailers on roller coaster today, so I was being a hypocrite. So, am I not allowed to be a VIP? Do I usually go through the normal entrance as there's no queue? Oh, we'll just go through the normal entrance. So yeah, even though it's roller coaster day, I'm doing Bozo's, but I have justified reason because this is a paid attraction and I've been given free access to it today. So why would I not go on it? So yeah, let's go get ourselves ready for Fright Nights here at Trailers Bozo's. So Bozo's done, and I've just heard a pitch of scream that I never want to hear again by the teenage girls behind me. It was ridiculous. But with that being said, let's go on to roller coasters. National Roller Coaster Day. Let's go and do roller coasters. I don't want to leave this park until I've done every single roller coaster here at Thorpe Park, and that might even include the Flying Fish. So let's go and hit up some roller coasters, some with goggles, some without. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. My challenge brain is kicking in now, so I'm thinking of layout. So I'm going to do stealth and then move my way around the park, hitting up every single roller coaster. So let's start with stealth. My joint favourite part here, joint favourite ride here at Thorpe Park. And hopefully, we might even sneak in a front row. It'd be rude not to, but that all depends on the queue time. So let's go and do stealth. Today, stealth completed. This is probably going to be a short video, but it's got me kind of reminiscing, being what I did this morning and thinking about like my first ride and stuff. And Flying Fish is one of those roller coasters. It was probably one of the first roller coasters that I ever did. I know my first roller coaster was Vampire at Chessington World of Adventures, but my first roller coaster here was, I'm pretty confident to say it was Flying Fish. So it wouldn't be roller coaster day without going on the Flying Fish. So let's go. Let's give it some appreciation then. Let's go on the Flying Fish. How many laps? 2, 3? I'm going to say 2 or 3. So yeah, Flying Fish done. So now it's time to get the goggles back out and head towards Nemesis Inferno and do a ride in complete darkness. again, it's a mini series that I'm creating, but I'm doing this video just to kind of collate a few together so you can see it. So this is me now riding Nemesis Inferno in complete darkness. I think Nemesis will be one of the best / worst roller coasters to do in the dark, because it's not a layout that I can remember, and that's the issue, is where you sort of lose all sense of where you are and stuff. And yeah, so let's give it a go and see what it's like. And as always, I cannot see a single thing. Let's go. Are we near the top yet? Yeah, I can feel, yeah. I think I'm in row 3, so I'm quite near the front, and yeah, oh god, yeah, oh, yeah, upside down, oh wow, oh my god! Oh. So, Nemesis Inferno, as I appear from the darkness, Nemesis Inferno, done in the dark, not my favourite. That made me feel very, very sick. But yeah, it just changes the experience, it makes the experience completely different, so I have to do it. Which we move on now. We've got Saw and Colossus left, I think. Could be wrong, I'm sure that's what we got left. So I need to do Saw, but I also need to try and get on Colossus. Face the embarrassment of potentially not fitting on because I'm too big, aka fat. But yeah, I'm going to try Saw. I'm not going to do any more in the dark, mainly because that ruined me, but also I want to leave some for next time. I don't want to peak it all now, so I've done a couple, which is great. So let's go and do Saw for roller coaster day. But before that, I have a question. Next roller coaster day, do you think we'll be going in here? I sure hope so. So we head towards Saw. One of the things I'm looking forward to is looking over onto the Exodus site, because I believe the gold supports arrived yesterday, and I want to see if potentially, because I know there's an announcement coming this afternoon, so I'm wondering, I know they're not going to go vertical, but is it going to be something to do with, are they going to move them over there? Is there going to be something happening? Because they're obviously gold and they're calling it golden hour, so yeah, we find out. But I'm looking forward to having another look over there and seeing what the progress is like since I was here for the Saw behind the scenes a few weeks back. So Saw done, leaving one left. Hopefully I can get on it. I'm gonna try my hardest, but for now, I'm gonna walk through the little carnival area. I can see all the carnival people with no one to talk to, so let's go and interact with the carnival. I hate this, so yeah, but let's go and interact. I don't know what they're doing. They're kind of just stood around. This is a bit awkward. Yeah, this is awkward. Just like, good afternoon. See? I'm such an awkward human being when it comes to interaction. Is anyone else like that? Does anyone else find interactions with characters? I used to be alright, like at Disney and stuff, I'm fine with Mickey and Mouse and that because they don't talk to you, so you kind of just, it's still awkward but you get on with it. But parks, just in general, I just struggle. But yeah, luckily I got through unscathed, so we're going to go through here, look at ourselves in the mirrors, make myself look even taller, and then head towards Colossus, the final roller coaster of the day. I know this video's been a little bit all over the show, but it's National Roller Coaster Day. I didn't want to not bring you along with me to see the day. I was in the park anyway. I was coming here regardless of what happened this morning. I don't keep name dropping it. I know I do. I'm happy. Sorry, I'm happy for being here, for doing that this morning. Literally this morning. But yeah, it's National Roller Coaster Day. So what kind of vlogger would I be? Oh, we got a tent. We got a new tent. Look. Don't know if you can see that because of the sunlight, but yeah, we got a new tent here. So have a little browse around, see what's going on today on National Roller Coaster Day. Hit up another roller coaster and then probably call it a day because I'm hot. And good afternoon, guys.
Hello. Hi.
Hey. Cringe. I love them. It's just me. It's me. It's not them. It's me. Sagatoria, love that as well. I might get some lunch. Do Colossus, get some lunch, and then potentially look to head home. But yeah, I know it's been a bit of a random video. But yeah, let's just crack on and enjoy the rest of the day, shall we? So go, oh, fast track's this way, so I need to go that way. Let's think thin. It's not, I mean, I know it's a slight weight issue, but I'm also 6'5", but let's hopefully get on Colossus today for the first time in about 4 years. So the results are in, and we did it. We got on. I think it's purely down to the fact that I've sweated so much today that I've probably lost weight. But I got on. It was tight, it's a squeeze, but I got on, which means I've completed Thorpe Park roller coasters 2023 for National Roller Coaster Day, so I'm just weaving through people. So we did it, we completed it. It's a short video, but yeah, we did it. And I think I'm going to call that a day, to be fair, because there's flat rides I can do and stuff, but it's very, very hot. And I'm very, very tired. I've been here since 6 o'clock this morning, or I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning, so I'm going to get some food and go home. So this white tent is new for, I'm assuming, for Fright Nights. Even though we have Oktoberfest first. It could be Oktoberfest, but I feel like it is a Fright Night thing and they're getting it ready. Can't really see through the door what's going on, but I guess a maze in there, or it might be Oktoberfest. I could be completely wrong. It could be Oktoberfest. What do you reckon? I mean, it's completely covered by Fright Night banners and stuff, but that could just be coincidental. But this could be a maze, potentially replacing the space that was used over at Exodus that we don't have now. We could see a maze here maybe, but what do you reckon? I found this spot to end the video, next to Vortex, so I thought it'd be a quiet spot. I could wait, but I'm not going to. But yeah, what an amazing roller coaster day, or National Roller Coaster Day 2023 has been for myself. I'm so grateful to these opportunities I'm getting. I have to pinch myself every day to just because I'm so humbled by everything that happens. And this year's been incredible, and it's just going to keep getting better and better. So yeah, started off with going behind the scenes, going backstage, going in the maintenance rooms, going down service roads, walking past or near a certain track that's come in and stuff, and seeing all of that, meeting a camera crew, and then being on national television, riding one of my joint favourite ride here at Thorpe Park, if not one of my favourite rides in the UK. And doing that, getting that ride car to myself, which is just a little bucket list thing for me. So I'm so grateful, and I'm so glad that you joined me on this video and just supported me. And I don't want to sound like I'm emotional, but I am a little bit, if I'm honest, because this day's just been phenomenal. It's just a shame it's really hot, and I've been up since early hours this morning to get here because I arrived here at 8 o'clock this morning. So, and then we rode every single roller coaster here at Thorpe Park to celebrate National Roller Coaster Day. So I appreciate you watching. I need a new outro, don't I? But I'm just gonna go simple. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. That'll do. But seriously, I mean it. Thank you for watching. If you don't already, please subscribe. Please follow my journey. Head over to my TikTok as well, because I'm starting to post stuff on there. If you don't know already, then yeah, I'm journey to attractions and I'm branching out for everything. And I'm rambling, so see you later. Alright, go on. Go on. Go on. Go on.